set and ready to race. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Chuchinelli, Blitzkrieg, a toy for us on the farther outside, and Mr. G moving up on the inside and dashing. And at the mid-back stretch, Chuchinelli and a toy for us on the outside, Blitzkrieg running in third by 2.5 lengths, and Mr. G dashing moving up on the inside. Nearing the pattern, Chuchinelli via length, followed by a toy for us in second, and Blitzkrieg remains in third by 3.5 lengths. Mr. G moving up on the inside and dashing. Rounding the pattern, it's still Chuchinelli via length and a half, followed by a toy for us on the outside, and Blitzkrieg remains in third by 3.5 lengths. Mr. G moving up on the inside and dashing, but it's still Chuchinelli by half a length, followed by a toy for us on the outside, and Blitzkrieg running in third by 3.5 lengths, and Mr. G moving up on the inside, dashing. And into the home stretch, Chuchinelli by the rail, and moving up on the outside is a toy for us. It's now a toy for us in the lead, followed by Chuchinelli and Blitzkrieg. Mr. G moving up on the inside and dashing. And into the home stretch, and nearing the payoff line, it's still a toy for us in the lead, Chuchinelli and Blitzkrieg. And finally at the payoff line, a toy for us, Blitzkrieg, Chuchinelli, Mr. G, and dashing.
Okay, 5-3 for ang ating unofficial order of arrival crossing the